You're learning something new every single day. I am not joking about that. Every day is something incredibly new. My name is Giancarlo Giraldo, and I am from Medford, Mass, and I work for Nexum Incorporated, and I'm a network security analyst. I started off really enjoying computers. I built my own computer, and at the time I was unemployed, and I looked to see what's really hot in the market. And I thought that cybersecurity was in that list, and I really like computers. I was like, security sounds pretty interesting. I was a police officer prior. It might seem like an easy transition, almost. And thanks to Cyber Warrior, I mean, that really kind of like pulled me in, learning everything I wanted to. And it was just such an amazing experience. The best part of the Cyber Warrior program is the hands-on aspect. It's easy to just teach the courses and then you just kind of absorb it. But putting those skills into use, learning all of the things and then putting them into use is going to go way far. You know, when you go into the interview and you can say, I've done this and I've done that, rather than just like kind of just reading off a textbook and just kind of regurgitating it. So what can you do with this and that? You know what I'm saying? And that's, the hands-on is by far the best part. I got my first job offer while I was a student. If you like computers, if you like technology, if you like to know like the next hottest thing, cybersecurity is definitely going to be always in demand. It's never going to stop. I think it's going to keep increasing. So learn all you can about cybersecurity and then make the decision if you want to take a dive. And I think you will not regret it.